According to His Holiness Kyabje Soren Rinpoche, all attainments arise from your vows and your words of honor. Occasionally, and due to past habituations, we will break our vows sometimes. We're normal human beings, but it should lessen over time. All right? Once you take the vows, you don't become perfect. But once you take the vows, you strive towards perfection. If we wish to have any higher attainments and higher results, we need to hold the vows. Without the vows, taking initiations will not bring results. In fact, taking initiations and not holding the vows, it will generate even more demerit. If you take your practice seriously, you get serious results. So therefore, holding the vows are the roots of spiritual attainments. And in Tantra, according to Buddha Vajradhara, holding the vows and words of honor are the roots of us gaining higher attainments, higher realizations, higher abilities to benefit others. And the very reason we hold our vows is out of compassion for others. When we have compassion for others, we hold our vows. When we hold our vows, we gain experience, we gain results from our meditation, we gain special abilities to be of more service to others. So holding our vows is out of compassion for others. So holding vows arises from the simple secular practice of integrity. If we have integrity, then other people respect us. If other people respect us, we can do more for them. We can accomplish more with them. We can do much more for others.